Man, we have just wrapped up an incredible week here at Clemson University's inaugural PackCamp. My name is Andrew Hurley, and I'm an associate professor here at Clemson University in the Department of Food, Nutrition, and Packaging Sciences. I've been working in the packaging industry for over a decade, and my role here as a teacher at Clemson University is to teach the skills that are necessary to take ideas and bring them to market. And that's exactly what we did here at PackCamp. All of these students worked in teams to come up with a brand new product to launch to market. And while they did that, they had to understand the product, its pros, its cons, and how they're going to distribute it, and what channels they're going to sell it in. And they had to build packaging in order to exist as a vehicle to allow all of that to happen.
We definitely had a lot of fun working as a team. We actually did this experiment where we came up with 180 designs for it in like under 15 minutes.
At PackCamp, you get your hands dirty. You're gonna make all different types of things. We call them hack prototypes, getting out your basic tools to build systems. And once you get the space right, we take it to the next phase, and you'll learn a variety of different software apps to allow you to express your creativity within the geometric stuff that you built in your hack prototype. And you're going to use multi-million-dollar equipment in order to print out your graphics on the substrate you'll end up building your final package with, and then a state-of-the-art sample table that's going to cut it out in just the perfect shape.
What was the coolest part of PackCamp?
Probably for me was actually getting in here and making the package with your hands, because I'm a very hands-on person. I like to do projects.
So at PackCamp, you got to be hands-on?
Yeah, definitely.
You know, when you're thinking about choosing a career, you have to take a step back and figure out, well, what major is the right fit for that career I want to be in? And packaging science usually is not the major that immediately pops into your mind. But packaging science has an overwhelming job acceptance rate, and across campus and across the country, it's one of the best fields to get into. So taking those skills and building a proper resume gives you great options for wherever you want to go.
It was a really good eye-opening event for me because I was looking into computer engineering, which is really nice too, but this is also very interesting. And unlike computer engineering, I actually got a chance to just go in hands-on and really experience what it was about.
PackCamp is a very special camp, and I don't think there's any other PackCamp in the world. We've wrapped up our first year. It was an incredible experience, and I cannot wait to see what happens in 2018.